Hello and welcome to this video on combining like terms with variables. Today I'm going to teach you all you need to know about combining like terms. You're wondering what exactly it means to combine like terms. Well, I'm going to explain that to you. Combining like terms is a common way to simplify algebraic expressions. What is an algebraic expression, you might ask? An algebraic expression is an expression made with integer constants, variables, and at least one operation. Some simple examples of algebraic expressions are y plus 7, 2m, 4k divided by 3, 3g minus 4k, and 5 minus l, just to name a few. Let's start off simple. We are told to find the total number of apples and bananas. Well, we see there are 4 bananas and 3 apples. We can say 4 bananas is equivalent to 4b, and 3 apples are equivalent to 3a. We can then make the expression 4b plus 3a. It is an expression because there is no equal sign. An equal sign would make it an equation. But can we really add 4b plus 3a? Can we really have 7 apple bananas? No, we can't. They are 2 separate things. And as we can see, they have 2 separate variables, b and a. 4b plus 3a is the simplest form of this algebraic expression because we can't combine apples and bananas. There are 4 bananas and 3 apples. In algebra and algebraic expressions, you can't combine terms unless they have the same variable. Let's learn the parts of algebraic expressions, and then we will work on solving them. First, we have constants. Constants are numbers on their own. They have a definite value. Some examples of constants are 6 and 54. Next, we have variables. Variables have an unknown value. Some examples of variables are x and y. We also have coefficients. Coefficients are numbers that are placed right in front of a variable. They get multiplied by that variable. Some examples of coefficients are 5 in 5x and 36 in 36y. We also have terms. Terms make up an expression and are separated by plus or minus signs. They are a single number or variable. Here is an example. The expression 9 plus 7 has 2 terms. The 9 and the 7 are separated by a plus sign, making them each their own term. Finally, we have like terms. Like terms are terms where the variables are the same. When working with algebraic expressions, you want to combine like terms. An example of like terms is the expression 7y minus 4y. Since 7y and 4y have the same variable, they can be combined and simplified to 3y. Now let's start working with the expression. First, we are given the expression 16x plus 7 minus 12x plus 5. First, we have our coefficient 16 and 12 because they are both attached to the variable x, an x here and an x here. We also see we have 2 constants, 7 and 5. We also see that we have our operations, an addition sign here, and then a subtraction sign here and a subtraction sign there. Next, we're going to combine the like terms. As you can see, I've put the like terms in separate colors. 16x and 12x are a like term because they both have the variable x. They will be combined. We also see that 7 and 5 are in blue. They are both constants, so they will be combined. Finally, we see that 16x minus 12x equals 4x. That is also in pink. We know that 7 minus 5 is 2. That is in blue. The leftover addition sign will just be brought down, making the simplest form of this expression 4x plus 2. Our next expression is a bit longer. Here's the expression, 15b plus 13c minus 12b plus 9 plus 10c plus 8. We're going to identify coefficients. 15 is a coefficient because it is attached to b. 13 is a coefficient because it's attached to c. 12 is a coefficient because it's attached to b. 10 is a coefficient because it's attached to c. The variables in this problem are b, 1 here and 1 here, and c, 1 here and 1 here. The constants are 9 and 8. They have a definite value. Our operations are an addition sign, a subtraction sign, 2 more addition signs, and an addition sign to finish off the problem as well. Next, we're going to go to the next level. I put the like terms in the same color. 15b has the same variable as 12b, so they will be combined. 13c has the same variable as 10c, so they will be combined. And then 9 and 8 are both constant, so they will be combined. Every like term is in the same color. Lastly, we will do the combining. 15b minus 12b is 3b. We bring down a plus sign that was unused. 13c plus 10c is equal to 23c. Then we bring down the last plus sign that was unused, and then we can do the constants 9 plus 8 to equal 17. The simplest form of this expression is 3b plus 23c plus 17. Our final example is this expression, 4x plus 8y plus 9. 4 is a coefficient because it is attached to x, 8 is a coefficient because it is attached to y, and 9 is our constant. Our operations are 2 addition signs, here and here. We are going to go to the next step of this problem. Well, it looks like nothing has changed. That's correct, because there are no like terms in this expression. There are no other variables x and there are no other variables y. So it is already in the simplest form. 4x plus 8y plus 9 is the simplest form of this expression. Here are the main points to remember. Combining like terms is a common way to simplify algebraic expressions. Like terms have the same variables and can be combined. Terms that do not have the same variable cannot be combined. When working with algebraic expressions, make sure to identify the constants, variables, coefficients, terms, and like terms. Hope this video helped. Thanks for listening.